Freakazoids, freakazoids, runs around in underwear. Freakazoids, freakazoids, guess who's Washington DC? Freakazoids, freakazoids, and something better's on TV.
So I've talked about this show before in another video entry, but here's a great example of why it's so funny. The creators often got ideas from their own kids, and while I'm not sure if that's the case here, I really wouldn't be surprised. The fact that a seemingly grown-ass man could get that invested in something like that is rather ridiculous. Then again, here I am doing this. Anyway, my good buddy and I have quoted this line pretty regularly. And can you really blame us? It sure is one comedic moment.